Hi, my name is Christine Howe. Today, we're going to do a script on structuring your business credit, a step-by-step plan. Build business credit quickly, a step-by-step guide to building a solid business credit foundation. Number 1, come up with your business name. Make sure your business name is available. You can check it at namecheck.com, NAMECHK.com. Number 2, establish a business address. Do not use your home address, P.O. Box, FedEx, or Staples address. Make sure the address is a brick and mortar space. Next, number 3, apply for your LLC. Number 4, you need an EIN number. Go to irs.gov. And you also need a DUNS number. Go to dnb.com/duns-get-DUNS HTML. So you need a DUNS number. Next, get a domain name and web hosting. You can use GoDaddy for that, or Wix, or any other reputable spot. Number 7, you need a business telephone number, local and toll-free number. You can do that with Grasshopper, Freedom Voice, GoDaddy, or Ring Central. Now you want to list your business with a 411 and listyourself.net, the Better Business Org, and Yelp. Number 9, you're going to get your business one-page website unless you need more pages. Again, you can do that with GoDaddy or Wix. Number 10 is create a professional business email. You can use the following formats. You can use your name at your domain, info at your domain, or your name at your domain name.com. Then you want to find your NAIC number. That's your SIC code. This tells the bank where to put you. Okay. Then you open up a business account and a personal account. That is your quick step-by-step guide on building business credit quickly. Thank you. Have a great day. I am available for speaking events in the local area of Florida. Thanks. Have a great day.